Hello, so we are back. Thursday, and we have a Sony laptop with some cleaning solution damage. Okay, uh, this laptop, you know what? I don't like when the people know me when they bring here jobs. Yeah, like this one. So the people drive like 1 hour just to have the laptop repaired here, and I feel so bad because if I can't repair it, that make me feel bad. Anyway, let's try and see what's going on in this one. Okay, this is a nice Sony Vaio laptop, and this is the only laptop which I found it. You see this speed and stamina, so you can actually switch the speed of the laptop by a button. This is so nice. You don't have to go on the menu, power saving things. No, actually, this is slowing down the processor. It's a nice laptop. Okay, so we plug the charger. We have no like pressing the power button, nothing happen. Okay, and the charger is good. Let's check the charger. The charger is on the screen, and we have 19.5. Yeah, so the charger is fine. But it just make me feel bad because they know me. So let's see. Okay, I can see this laptop has been serviced before by another company. Give me 1 second. And I did tell them, you should go with the laptop on your town there. They will do the same things like me. It's no point. Yeah, but I seen your video and I trust you, and that's bad. Trust me, that's bad. I can't trust myself. Okay, let's see. And when someone knows me, I can't do dodgy things, just because they knows me. Okay, let's unplug. It has a smell. Let's unplug the battery first, okay? How do we unplug the battery? Okay, from here. And that's the battery. Let's open the screws and try to fix it quickly. Maybe we can help the people. But the problem is the liquid damage. The liquid damage jobs are tricky, and you know that, yeah. It's not always about cleaning and resoldering, reflowing. No, sometimes you have burn components which you have no idea. So it's like 50-50 chance to be fixed. If the laptop gets fixed, everyone is happy. Ah, you fixed it because you're sorry. If I don't fix it, okay, why? Why you didn't fix it? You're good. No, I'm not. It's about having spares, having schematics, having a board view, having parts. It's more of that. It's not only about knowledge. Okay? Let's see. How this is supposed to be open? Give me 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Let's see how this is supposed to be open. So the keyboard is coming out here. Has some plastic clips. And here, what do we have here? Here we have a ribbon cable. 1 second, I don't want to damage anything. So we have to open this from this side. So I did have for a while a laptop like this and I was very happy with it. It's the same like when you buy a car which has a lot of tuning, you know, they optimize the things. Same like this laptop. So it's like a tiger inside of this small laptop. It's a small laptop, but actually it's like a normal one. Yeah, the fan goes crazy when it's getting hot. So let's see. So it must be like that. And this side. Yeah. And here I do have let me take this out. Okay, so that's the top part and it's looking good. And that's the bottom one and it's looking good. Let's plug the charger and check some things. Let's see what's going on. What happened with our voltage? Let's follow the 19 volts power rail. Let's see where it's going. So we do have some power supplies here. And we have 18.9, you can see on the screen. So our main 90 volts power rail is present. So I do have here the current sensor here, which is good. So everything looks fine, but it's not working. You know that case when everything looks fine but it's not working? Let's try and find the 3.3. You see, Sony, Apple are the same. They mess up the design and actually they don't follow the like a order, to be everything in a order. The power button, where is the power button? The power button. The power button is going here. You check on the power button. Yeah, this is the power button. The power button goes with the ribbon cable here on this board, and from this board is coming through this ribbon cable. Truly complicated thing. So somewhere on these pins we should have 3.3, yeah? I'm just following the multimeter. We need to find the 3.3, yeah? Because that's the easy way to check the 3.3 on the power button, because you know you should have 3.3 there. I can't see. I think that multimeter is too slow. Let me use my one just to be sure. Nothing. Nothing. So our 3.3 volts power supply is not working. But we know the 90 volts power rail is fine. Okay? So we do have to open this board and see what's going on there. Okay, this is out. Can be liquid damage on the other side of this board, yeah? That's why we have to check to be sure. Now give me 1 second. Okay. Let's see. Oh, so that's the charging port. Okay. So look at this, you see? That's what I'm trying to explain on the beginning. Like this laptop, it's a beast. So you have the processor and also you have a dedicated graphic chip, yeah? Keeping in mind you have just a small fan there. It's proper nice. So you buy a small laptop, but actually you have the power of a big laptop. You can even game on this laptop. Probably if I will be to need a small laptop, I'll buy something like that. It's 1000 times better compared with anything what you can buy on these days. These days we have like small laptops with a processor with no heatsink at all. So how is this supposed to come out? Okay, the DVD drive. So what about the heatsink? Okay, it's coming out. Does the charging port? Look at the board, it's so nice. With two separate heatsink, it's so nice. Okay, I can't see, or maybe I can. I can see here some damage. Okay, probably here. Let's have a look under the microscope. So yeah, definitely here was some damage. Yeah. Well, I think this bit is blow up. No, not. No, it's damaged. You can see the damage here and here. So clearly here is liquid damage. And came from here, from the USB port. Let's clean it quickly. It's sweet or not? We don't know if it's sweet or not. Let's try alcohol first. You know what? I can feel the smell of some things to the cleanup things. The kitchen cleanup thing, yeah. And you know what? You have some damage here. Let me use water. I think the best is to use water here. And you have just a bit of damage on a small component and your laptop goes dead. Definitely. Some kind of bleach, you know, for cleaning. Okay, you know what? That component, the pin. Look at the pin. You can see the pin? That pin is not soldered anymore. You can see it? So if this component is my 3.3 volts power supply, the pin is gone from the chip itself. I can't believe. Okay. But I still have the pin there. I still have the pin there. Let's try and clean it more. So now you got the point. So actually you have a damage component which you don't know what it is. You don't know what it's doing because you have no schematic. And also you don't have the component. But you want to fix the laptop. Uh-huh. How do you fix it then? So basically you have nothing. But yeah, let's do some magic. Huh? So what do you think? We can fix it. We can do some magic here. Or magic happen only on the Christmas time. I can see this track is good. This track is still good. I need some flux, transparent flux. Transparent. Just to see what's going on here. Let me grab some solder wire. That's fine. Here the track is fine. Here the track is fine. And here the track is fine. So you see, we are saved. Like, we are saved. Now all what we have to do is to solder this thingy here and rebuild that one. Here is solder. Here is solder. Here is solder, okay? So I'll take a tiny wire and I'll make a bridge there. You can see these two pins are together because this chip has to carry some power. So I can truly believe this can be my 3 volts power supply, 3.3, because that's what is missing from here. I need a cutter and I don't have a cutter. Good, perfect. So we do have a solder wire there, so or not? Yeah, we have it, and it's solid. Okay, let's clean it. And let's do something else. There's flux everywhere. So we can clearly see the bridge there, yeah? Let's get some hot glue. Let's just so apply just a little bit of hot glue to keep everything in place. I'm pretty sure it's a well done solder there, but let's use some glue. Now it's fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. Now let's see again if it's working. We did a good job or not. You can see some dust here. You see, that's the tricky part, to put this all back together. I have the screen connector, I have this small connector here. Looks okay, yeah? That's the screen. There's the fan, but this probably has to go behind the... So you see, every space on this laptop, it's optimized like hell. Let's plug the charger. Okay. The charger, it is plugged in. Let's check for 3.3. I will check with my multimeter. Yes, it's there. Let's check with this multimeter, yeah? Let's check with this one. It's not even point checking, yeah? The laptop comes on. So I found the 3.3, which was from the power button, and probably I shorted with the next pin. Yeah? It's not a problem actually to play with the keyboard connector or with the power button connector, because the highest level is 3.3. Yeah. So what you can do, you can short it to ground. Yeah, but that's what you're supposed to do. So the laptop is working fine. But that was the issue. The fan is spinning. All we have to do now is to put it all back together. If I remember, let's put back the DVD. This has to come here. We have the Wi-Fi antenna. I think the Wi-Fi antenna should be behind of this. And this is coming here and is going behind of the board. Somewhere there. Okay, perfect. Screws. Here on the DVD drive ni screw, yeah? So if you have someone ask you to recommend you a good, nice, portable notebook, which can be used also for gaming, this is the one. But I don't know what model it is. 1 second. They have weird names, Sony. So it's Sony S series. Oh look, it's saying NVIDIA. It's NVIDIA graphics. i5 NVIDIA graphics. It's what model is? It's not the model SVS 131C 1DW. Told you it's a weird name. Okay, one more screw there. This is not from here because it has different shape. Okay, that's all. All screws are here. All fine. Okay, let's plug the keyboard. Here I can't see any liquid damage. Can't see any. So this thing has to go inside here. Okay, good. And this one has to go here. Now I have to, I don't think I can show you. I have to do it on this way. But look, there are many versions, yeah? So this one I can see someone swapped the hard drive, a normal hard drive with a solid state. But what I had, yeah, I was surprised. I had a RAID configuration with two solid state hard drives, but not normal solid state. You know the small ones. I don't know. It's not M2. M2 is the long one. It was small hard drives. So two in the RAID mode. Crazy. So I suppose these are some kind of The top class from Sony. What do you think? Do you had this before for repair? I'll put this back. Probably this is keeping the connectors from, opening by itself. Perfect. Let's plug the charger and power up the laptop, yeah? We plug in the charger, power on, and we have green light here and green light here, and we have picture. Okay, so it's working fine. So let's see now how we can close this in the right way. Everything is fine. Let's put the screws back. So in the time, people ditching and removing audio jack and HDMI connection and whatever they are removing, the companies like Sony, they came with the button, thinking obviously, okay, to save more energy, I go on there and set up save energy, and you don't know if it's working or not, because if the computer need work, I think it will not save energy if you have demanding application. But here, this is like, this is the main switch, is the you switch this and it will slow down instantly the processor, doesn't matter what you are doing, yeah, if you have demanding application or not. Yeah, I shall buy one more just to have it like a piece of technology. What this is missing a high efficiency fan like Apple are doing on the MacBooks, because indeed this is very noisy. But obviously it came on the package with performance. You have one fan for two chips, right? The graphics and the processor, and it's not like any chip. It's like you have Nvidia and Intel i5. just think how many laptops I'm seeing like every day. But trust me, this is unique. I just remember when I bought my first one. I just, from where I bought it, from Bootsell. I go on Bootsell, Danton Bootsell. It's close, it's near, and I found it there. And I remember I paid like 200, but that happened like 4 years ago. You know what? I would love to say, okay, I seen this with Apple, but no, Apple are not doing like. Did you see a MacBook Air with NVIDIA graphic chip? No, it's Intel integrated because it's hard to make in a small laptop. You use a dedicated graphic chip. Good. The back cover. You know what? Usually I have left screws, but not on this case. In this case, I'm missing one. I'm missing one screw. Let's see, maybe we can test it, yeah? We can test the button together, yeah? Just 1 second. Let me finish. Let me finish. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, let's check together. Charger. It is charging. We have the charging light here. You can see the light. Power on. It is coming on. Sorry, it's a picture on the desktop, so I can't show you. Let me check the battery. The battery is 78%, yeah? So let's come with the power supply, 19 volts. Let's come with the power supply, ground, and plus. Now let's check some things, yeah? So what is taking 1.1 amp. Stamina is taking 2.6. Wait, I don't get it. 1 second, yeah? And the speed? It's charging. Okay, it's charging the battery. How can I do it? Let me stress the. Let me play a video. Connect to the internet. I just want to see if we can test that. If we can test it. But you know what? It's showing me. You can see it's taking 2 amps. That's the battery charging current. Let's go YouTube. YouTube. This C is not working. Yeah. 5 is not working. Yeah, so also it's an issue with the keyboard. Well, what can I do on that case, you know? You can see? So now his speed is going over 2 amps, yeah? Stamina. I shall go. Oh, it was early. I don't remember. I remember I tested this feature. I tested before and it was working great. Especially when you use that benchmark software, the CPU Z. So you'll see instantly when you switch the thingy. It's changed. Obviously, the processing power is going down, but same with the battery consumption. Yeah, I can't do it. It's charging, and the battery is taking probably random amount of power. Actually, the power gets split between the laptop and the battery charging. But I can see he has some keys which are not working, so I should call him. It's not because I have the keyboard. I don't have the keyboard. He has to replace it. Yeah. Yeah, what you can do, that's the story on the liquid damage thing. Okay, so I'll stop now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, only if you like it. This was an easy, pleasant job. And see you tomorrow probably, yeah? Bye.